If you're a retiree with $1 million nest egg, or anywhere near that, you're probably feeling pretty good about your future. But did you know that your retirement savings might still be at risk? Even with that big number in your account, inflation, stock market volatility, and the looming threat of economic uncertainty could still erode your wealth. In fact, many millionaires are realizing that they need to protect their wealth in a way traditional investments can't. So, if you want to secure your wealth for the long haul, there's something you need to know, and it's something you've probably never considered. Stick with me till the end, because I'm going to share a simple but powerful way you can safeguard your retirement funds, and I promise it's not what you're thinking. We're seeing record levels of inflation. The cost of living is rising faster than many expected, and it's hitting retirees especially hard. Now, factor in the recent banking issues that have many questioning the stability of traditional financial systems. If you've been paying attention to the news, you've probably seen headlines like "Banks fail, inflation hits new highs," or "Economists warn of looming recession." For retirees, this isn't just scary, it's a wake-up call. What most don't realize is that these economic shifts aren't just a minor inconvenience, they're threats to the security of your retirement savings. You've worked hard to build your retirement portfolio, but here's the truth. Traditional investments like stocks and bonds may not be enough to preserve your wealth when the unexpected happens. In fact, with the stock market's wild fluctuations, the risk of a market crash is something you can't afford to ignore. And let's not even get into how inflation is quietly eating away at your purchasing power. So, what's the solution? The answer may surprise you. The truth is, gold has stood the test of time as a reliable store of value, and it's one of the few assets that tends to rise when inflation and economic uncertainty strike. That's why more and more high-net-worth retirees are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth. A gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold, silver, and other precious metals. This means you're not just relying on paper assets that could lose value. Gold acts as a hedge against inflation, economic instability, and even government policy changes. It's a safe haven when everything else seems uncertain. And yes, it's legal to roll over your existing 401k or IRA into a gold IRA without incurring penalties, so you can keep your retirement funds safe and secure. Imagine knowing your wealth is shielded from the volatility of the stock market. Imagine having a tangible asset that can maintain its value no matter what happens in the economy. That's what a gold IRA can do for you. Here's the kicker. You don't have to do this alone. There's a way to get a personalized plan that aligns with your goals and helps you navigate the complex world of retirement planning. I'm talking about a free Gold IRA Guide Plus, a no-obligation educational call to help you understand if this strategy makes sense for you. The reality is, many people are simply unaware of the benefits a Gold IRA offers. That's why we've created this exclusive guide for people who are serious about protecting their wealth, just like you. You'll get insights on how to diversify your portfolio and ensure your wealth lasts, no matter what the future holds. Now, I want to be clear. This isn't a sales pitch. There's no pressure, no free silver gimmicks, just education first, one-on-one calls with someone who will help you evaluate your unique situation. You've spent a lifetime working hard for your retirement. It's time to ensure that your money works just as hard for you. Protecting your wealth for future generations doesn't have to be complicated, and will guide you every step of the way. So, if you're a retiree with $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or if you've been fortunate enough to build a $1 million plus nest egg, take the next step today. Click the link in the description for your free Gold IRA guide and get your no-obligation educational call. Let's make sure your retirement is as strong as it can be, because you've earned it.